Hey everybody, how you guys doing? This is Al from BoxBreakings.com, and we are here for the first of the 2012 Panini Absolute Memorabilia, Absolute Football, 2-box break. So each one of these we're going to do is going to be a 2-box break. The reason for that is just because there's so many boxes in a case, and I purchased one of the cases. So don't want them to be here forever, so we're going to just do them in multiple boxes, or multiple box breaks. Your associate up on the wall tells you which teams you own in the order of most teams owned to least teams owned. It is January 10th, and time check 9:28 p.m. East Coast time, January 10th. And your boxes of Absolute Football. There's no numbers on these things, so there's just the seal, but no serial numbers on these. Kind of surprised at that. They usually put them on everything football. So let's get into it. Here's your first box and second box. Break into both of them. And 4 packs. Empty. And we'll bust into these things. Off we go. Good luck. Just getting ready. Here we go. First pack up. First pack, box number 1. I'm gonna slice it instead of ripping into it. Don't want to damage these. Here we go. First pack, Adrian Peterson, and non-numbered, followed by Derek Wolfe out of $3.99. Ooh, Colt. Saw a Colt, and it's going to be Kobe Fleener. Gold rookie triple relic, $2.99, number 103, Kobe Fleener. And Ahmad Bradshaw base, and Kenny Britt base. Yeah, zoom out and down just a tad bit. Here we go. And your next pack. This one's a little thinner. We have Steve Johnson, followed by a Donald Brown, number to 100, number 29, followed by Tavon Wilson autograph for the Patriots, Spectrum, number to 299, and Darren Sproles, and Blaine Gabbert. And pack number 3, box 1. Demaryius Thomas, followed by Steve Smith, blue, like a blue, different version. Maybe that color is just because of the team color. Didn't notice. And dual relic, nice prime for one of them. It is Michael Turner and Tony Gonzalez for Atlanta, number 1 of 3. Nice low number hit right there. Pretty cool for Atlanta. And Pierre Garcon, followed by Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis. And last pack, first box. We have Sidney Rice, Bruce Irvin, Seahawks, numbered to 399, followed by a Nick Toon, triple relic auto for the Saints, and Alex Smith, and Wes Welker. Alright, that is your first box. Here comes your second box. just into these. Actually, still need that. Maybe what I'll do is take them all out of the plastic or the cardboard here. And we'll do this one first, I guess. Gotta be careful with these. And we have Jordy Nelson, Andy Dalton, Casey Hayward for Green Bay autograph, numbered /299, Ryan Fitzpatrick, and Jason Witten. Dallas Clark, followed by B.J. Coleman, another Packer, $3.99, followed by a Jarius Wright for the Vikings, the $2.99 triple relic auto, and Mendenhall, Darius Hayward Bay, and 2 more packs left. Carson Palmer, followed by a Gridiron or Groundhogs. I don't know what that is. It's like part of the card is rolling up. Rashard Mendenhall, numbered /100. See that? That looks like damage, pack out damage right there. Kind of looks like it's part of the card, but it looks like it's rolling up. So I don't know. And underneath that is a Jamal Charles jersey, numbered 24/49, followed by Matt Castle and Beanie Wells. Last pack, folks. Let's pull something nice out of this one. We've got Josh Cribbs and Bill Bentley. Looks like a redemption underneath that one, $3.99. Redemption is going to be Stargazing Signature Materials, number 31, Ryan Broyles. Shouldn't be too bad. Nice hit for the Lions. And Des Bryant and Santonio Holmes. So that is your first dual box break of Absolute, and I'll be posting up another dual box break. So look for that. Thanks for joining this one, guys. Do appreciate it. We'll see you guys back here soon. Take care.